Hey, what's up, guys? It's
The Fashion Feed Podcast.
and my name is Lemine Morris. You can find me on Instagram, pretty way slay.
Oh, it's your boy Time in the Game. Starting into my IG, the Nomad underscore 444.
I'm still new in this channel. My name is Jospin, but you can call me D Jospin on Instagram, D Jospin on TikTok, and then YouTube. I am JP the Brutal. Do what you gotta do best: like, tap in, subscribe, do all the good stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, see no evil, talk no evil, and hear no evil, you know what I'm saying? It's easy on the cam, and we here again, bro. You gonna check me on YouTube on Easy to Alive and all that shit, you feel me? So we on, let's get it though.
I mean, guys, we're gonna spice up some things, you feel me? Some big things. For those who know, we be speaking about fashion and shit. You can see, drip that sneakers and shit. Like, we got this shit. Yeah. I mean, so yeah, let's get into the shit. So, what's up?
Bro, I wanna start off is niggas. Okay, no, use niggas. People say that Durban niggas or Durban people cannot dress compared to Joburg, Pretoria, and the other provinces. Is that true, guys? Please state your points. Because in my perspective, I think Durban is the best in terms of fashion. Because like Joburg, majority of the people, they go to Shein, bro, and buy their stuff. Not gonna lie to y'all. Not gonna lie. Temu, not gonna lie. PTA, we know that that's the groovest place. They might not even try speaking about fashion. But in my perspective, I would say Durban, when it comes to fashion and putting pieces together, we do have that. Anyone ever sang? Going once?
There's different kind of fashion we're talking about here, you feel me? Joburg got those fashion like, those try to copy like Playboy Carti type shit, like OPM type. But like Durban, like there's people who got fashion but they be hiding that shit, you feel me? But we are, when it comes to fashions, like we are there and all that shit. We mustn't just compare with that shit, like, but we are there. That's what I'm saying though. Like when it comes to fashion, like we tell.
Let me say some shit actually. What fits it? Me, I wanna be honest, actually. Have you noticed, the thing is, us Durban Owens, the only problem is we don't like. How I'm gonna say this? We don't take pics that much. First of all, that's one. And plus, Jozi the way it is. If it's like it's an international place. There's like I don't know how many language people who speak. Hey, my English, but it is what it is, though. You feel? That's crazy. But shit, nah. I got nothing to say right now. I mean, like,
My guy, they go.
the fuck? But I feel too. Let's talk about the hands, though.
What about the hands? Bro,
Let's talk about the hands.
What about the mommies?
I mean, they're fine, though. I don't wanna lie. The 200 mommies.
From where, Joburg?
From Joburg. If you notice the accent also, Dwana. I don't want to explain.
I would say like
In terms of beauty, Joburg.
when it comes to beauty, thank you very much. Yeah, Joburg got the fire.
But in terms of nyash,
The problem is, Durban girls and all that shit, like they be hiding themselves, like they're not like on some open shit, like
and that's good though.
yeah, that's
That's
cool,
very
though.
good for our future wives, bro.
Tight.
Yeah.
But Josie one is like, okay,
You're gonna see everything.
you wanna have vibe, you gonna go to Josie type shit. Durban on some boring shit, like when it comes to hands and all that. Like listen, when it comes to hands and all that shit, like they be hiding and shit. I actually fuck with that shit, like that's some wild shit. But there's other people be looking for like. We girl like to like, hey, let's kick it in, like you feel me? But
For example,
like,
but we're not there though. We're not there.
No, wait. Let me say something.
I'm just saying my shit, you feel me?
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying, Zaire? But yeah, what I'm trying to say, is I was saying I'm shaking.
Why are you shaking?
Nah, I'm just trying to say, people from Durban, they can dress. I don't wanna lie. Like they can dress, most of them. You feel me? We have people like Lihu. Shout out. I mean, yeah, in fact, he's from Durban and shit. Yeah. We heard that. And the niggas be humbled by speed. Okay, let me not talk about that.
Did you say little people hype by speed, bro?
Nah. What?
Did you say little people hype by speed?
Who got humble? Like, I don't know.
People got humble.
Who got humble?
Who got humble by speed?
Nah. You don't know about that shit.
Who got humble but speed though?
I wonder. Oh, are you talking about? Okay, Joburg niggas.
Bro,
yeah.
I'm sure the niggas from Joburg, definitely. Nigga can't be from Durban. That's a fact. That's a fact. But like, but you know,
Please
bro,
mention names.
I don't know myself.
I don't want to mention the name. You know the nigga
Bro, don't be scared, bro. It's in the
Kwababa, the owner of Kwababa. Kwababa could have saved him at that moment, bro. From the humble experience.
Nigga made it a meme and posted it after that.
Nigga, I ain't trying to joke right now, but for real, like that shit was. Oh, I don't want to say too much. After don't forget we had Charms Meter actually. What?
He wasn't alone.
I don't know the others. Nah, let's not be doing free promos now, but faithful.
Okay, but on a serious note, Speed has motion. For the fact that he made all the Joburg niggas and the Cape Town content creators look small, it's a sign that they should appreciate small content creators, because when we try ask for collaboration, they always charge us. But in terms of overseas content creators, no matter how small or big, they always work together, and that's a must. Because at the end of the day, we're in the same industry. We're trying to grow together and push together. But for the fact that in Durban it's even worse, we will send you links to support our content, but you won't promote. Bro, we're trying to push and put Durban on the map. Durban has so many content creators, but for the fact that no one supports the people that are doing content, people give up. I know a lot of people, we started content together, but if you look now, 2026, they stop content. They're now TikTokers, some are Instagram influencers, some are working, some are paras, but we won't mention names though. But my advice is, guys, Durban people, as Hotshoran said, which is true, in Durban there's no community. We do not support each other, we don't help each other. That's the reason why Joburg and Cape Town guys don't come to Durban to collaborate with other.
Speed didn't come here? That's the question.
Why Speed didn't come here? Because there's no motion here.
Why? Besides that,
There's
nigga,
no
Buffett too.
motion. There's no one that they know who's big here, and just the effect of COVID, it's not a tourism place to travel and experience anymore. You feel me? So
It's just that the thing is, people say, okay, no. The moment a nigga from Durban become big or a bit bigger, what do you think of? Let me move to Josie. Let's be honest.
it's the same thing.
That's what we do. That's what we think.
For example,
Go Scooby.
Why you all have to move like in Josie
because
if you can't just stay here?
Joburg right now, it's the hot spot of content creators to blow up easily. For example, Koshubi is from Durban. Ligma,
Okay.
he's in Joburg right now.
Okay.
Yeah, no, we close to that. Don't stress, bro. Ligma, Koshubi, there's a lot, bro. There's a lot.
So like, why we not like helping each other like to boost each other like just to go up?
The
and
problem
shit,
is
like,
Durban.
what's
The
going
only
on?
place in Durban is Groove. That's the beach and the beach,
They call it Bugutering,
bro. Joburg has no ocean, yes, and the beaches.
Bro said Bugutari.
They had to come here. But in terms of if Durban was a place like Joburg, we have the beach, we have the baddies, content creation. If you have everything, bro, we'll be sorted. Not gonna lie.
So what's stopping us from just doing that? Like, come on,
Greed
bro.
and selfishness.
No, and plus people
And
are
hate.
like feeling them, like feeling.
It's the order farming part. You see, people from Durban, I don't know this order farming thing, I won't mention names. There's niggas who like order farming to the next level, dog. Especially Durban. I don't know.
Define order farming things to the people. For those I'll give it to him.
The Mr. or let's say the king of order farming.
Define order farming for us, please, brother.
Bro, I don't know what you're talking about. It's not about auto farming, bro. I'm just being myself and shit. You feel me? Like, I'm just saying though, like, what you mean auto farming, bro? Like, yeah, it's not about. The problem is, people in Durban just feel themselves. They wanna be. I would say this. They wanna be big more than others. Like, we're here to support each other. If you win, I win. It's the same thing. It's like on some brotherhood type shit. But now you want us to support you, but you don't want to support us and all that shit. That's the other thing, that the main thing that's slowing us down. But if you check Josie and other things that and all that, people like, hey, bro, let's collaborate and all that shit. Like, they own together and, you know, like, they're supporting each other. But the people like here in Durban on some oral farming shit, like, bro, like, you know, just trying to get the mommies and all that shit, like, just trying to oral farm. Like, not every time you gotta oral farm, you know, you just. help each other type shit. Help.
But okay, to conclude the oral farming and the thing, why when we DM people from Durban, to collaborate, they refuse?
Before that, my nigga tell me. Yo, they wanna hear you, cause like, ish, you've been quiet, dog. What's up? You hungry?
Nah, bro, it's not a good day for me.
My nigga is okay, no, let me say that. But yeah, you asked the question.
So my chat is right. Why when you wanna collaborate, especially females, because females,
Females the worst.
females, for example, because I'm a content creator, influencer, a model. There's still more, but I want. Why female when you try to interview them? They're like, I'm for the trend. Like why though? Like why?
You know, one ran away from me actually. Like they ran away from us, niggas. Remember that day? Can you just explain that incident?
Yeah, I don't remember anything. Which day?
No, not a queen, ne? Man, like we went there. We were on some like, okay, we wanted his hands. Want to bag them actually. I don't know if you get me, ne? So he said, okay, let's do this. We'll act like we're doing a YouTube video. You check. So now 2 minutes. We buy there. Which you knew what's up. It's good. I want to do content. The moment they heard content, hey, bitch.
I'm fully trained.
Why is there for like?
But if it was a big content creator, easily.
Yeah, bro, like
bro, they'd be like, come on, just because we small content
Bro,
creators,
like-
that's the issue about Durban.
and the problem is I understand them. The problem.
So if close, okay, yeah.
Actually, let me say something before that. That way too.
Guys,
I feel like I wanna say something actually, ne? Oh shit, guys! I think we have to like close it for today. So this is Charms Media actually representing the Fashion Feed podcast, and yeah.
There's more coming and all that. We're gonna be saying a lot of things and all that. Please, y'all guys, stay tuned, support. There'll be a lot of things coming up, and we'll be calling people so we can talk about even more things. Like right now, the time is going, but that's how it is. You know?
Not gonna lie to you, I don't like peace. I want problems. So there's gonna be a lot of gossiping. Like I'm not gonna lie to you. There'll be a lot of gossiping, of tease, drama. So I think from today onwards, I'm gonna be posting on my Instagram pool. If there's any tease, any drama, or any stories, drop it on my DM, but I won't expose you to be disclosed. And then we'll speak on the podcast about everything and what's going on. But without further ado, like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you've gotten this far, this is episode 1. This is just the beginning of chaos. So, guys, let's close up this podcast.
And it's the Fashion Feed podcast. Bye.